Howdy everyone, this is Grant Bynum with Uptown 101. Hey, we're at the Crimson High Rise in Houston, Texas, and we have a part two. This is a part two. We're gonna go out on the patio and check out the patio and talk about how great this area is. So let's go do that right now. If you have questions at any time, send me a text on the number below. That's my personal cell number, and you'll experience my 5-star service. You can look me up anytime on Google under uptown101.com. Okay, so let's now explore this lovely patio. This is very unique, and of course this is first floor, so it's so nice to experience this kind of patio, and it's such a lovely area that you're in. This is the River Oaks area. It's a very safe area. You're going to feel safe. You're going to feel just delighted because there's so much visually here that's beautiful. There's beautiful trees all around. There's walkways, and also the River Oaks area is just known for high-end shopping and just having fun. So I'm actually walking out of the gate so you can see that, and I want to just walk and show you the area just a little bit more. But we've already seen the walking and the walking trails and the trees, but then really just a short distance, do you see that just right over there, that building? That is the River Oaks district. So that's a very nice shopping center. It has great restaurants that you're going to want to go to frequently. It's got you can get a drink, of course. It's got awesome shops and boutiques there too. We actually captured that in another video that we did yesterday for the Gray House. So you can watch the Gray House videos anytime and see that. But it's a beautiful, really nice California style shopping experience, and that's right over there. Now also with this area, you can see there's a lot more trees up here, and this is the River Oaks area, so there's again safety here, but there's also a quick access out to get to the highway. It's just right over there, so you can quickly get to the airport, quickly get to other parts of Houston. If you work downtown, this is a good kind of halfway point. You can be 15 to 20 minutes from downtown, which is that way. So but you can get to all parts of the city very conveniently from here. It's a great location. So this is a little bit more about life nearby and in walking distance here at the Crimson. If you have questions at any time, send me a text on the number below. That's my personal cell, and experience my 5-star service. You can also look me up anytime, by the way, on uptown101.com.